Hello and welcome to the market update video of myself, David Madden. European stock markets are seeing modest gains today thanks to the bullish finish that we saw on Wall Street last night. Until a few hours ago, US index futures were pointing higher, but in light of the very disappointing US housing starts, we've actually gotten off to a slightly negative start over in the US. The housing stats figures came in at 1.45 million. It's well below expectations, and the housing starts reading was the lowest level in well over 1 year. That added to a bit of downward move in US index futures, and in turn the negative start seen on Wall Street. That being said, the US dollar is still up on the day, although the greenback is certainly off the highs of the session. A few hours ago, the euro dollar fell to its lowest level in almost 2 weeks, and the British pound is mixed across the board as UK unemployment remained at 3.8%, meeting expectations. The oil market has recovered ever so slightly from the fairly heavy losses that it incurred yesterday.
The US 500 has been trending higher recently as traders are a little less fearful of another very large interest rate hike from the Federal Reserve next month. Although we've seen a slight pullback in the US 500 in the last few hours, it's still holding above these three simple moving averages. And while it continues to hold above these three simple moving averages, it's likely that our medium-term upward trend will continue. A further value from here could see a target 43.00, and a break beyond that could see a target 43.97. If you take a look at the price action in the last few hours, we can see the market's pull back from its recent peak. Looking at the MACD indicator, we can see that momentum has swung from positive territory to negative territory, indicating that the bears are now ever so slightly in control. If we do see a continuation of the short-term downward move in the US 500, support might be found at 42.46, and a break below that could see a target 42.18.
Turning our attention to silver, the metal is lower once again for two reasons. Firstly, there are lingering concerns about the health of the manufacturing sector in the US and also the overall economic health of China. And in addition to that, we are seeing the rally in the US dollar weigh on the metal once again.